would like to welcome you back. I don't know. Whatever, I'm trying to make sense. Hi guys, my frizzy hair and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. I am so sorry about this mess. I was trying to figure out what I should do with my hair and I was like, should I straighten it? Should I curl it? Should I do whatever? Put it in a bun? And I figured, you know what? Just leave it out. Let the frizz be there. Let it just live its best life. Feel free and don't do anything to it. So that's pretty much what it is. So I'm not trying to be messy. I'm just trying to embrace my natural hair. So this is what we're gonna have to deal with for this video. But today my video is on the the May IPSY. I'm sorry, the last video I did was the April IPSY, which is actually kind of sad because it takes a whole month for you to get another IPSY, and my last video was an IPSY and my new video is going to be an IPSY. I do want to apologize for not posting as much as I usually do. It's because I've truly been that busy. But I'm trying to handle everything, and I'm also trying to film because I do love filming and putting videos out on YouTube. So for those who do look forward to my videos, I'm very sorry, and I will try to keep posting as much as I can. But for now, let's go over the IPSY for this month. So without further ado, here's my IPSY bag for May. The theme is travel. I think this bag is very cute. I love this coral color. The design is very nice for travel, and also the zipper has a very cute airplane indent in there that is very adorable. I have one item in there that doesn't fit in the bag, but the rest of them are in here, and I've already used almost all of them. Almost. So the card has a bunch of influencers that look like they're traveling. It's basically saying, you know, start planning your next adventure, whether you're dreaming of a road trip, a beach vacation, or ready to trek across the globe. It's time to go there. And also it's highlighted that sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself, which I think is very true. So the first thing I have is this moisturizer by jivi. It's a lavender moisturizer, and this moisturizer basically in the back it says skincare so natural it's safe enough to eat. That is good. You need to use more things in your beauty routine or in your skincare routine and beauty that's more natural so that you're not harming your skin for the future, you know? So just off the bat, just opening it up, it smells amazing. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Okay, so it does come out green. That's how the moisturizer is, which is very interesting. It smells really amazing. I love the smell of lavender. It smells very natural, very good for your skin, if that makes sense. A lot of the ingredients in here are ingredients that you can read, like aloe vera juice and shea butter, olive oil, you know, things like that. It's things that you can actually read and not a lot of chemicals. And it says it has a lot of like organic things in here, as far as the jojoba oil and all of those, the vegetable glycerin, they're all organic. The shea butter is organic. I'm going to use this and see how that works. The next item that I have is this ADESSE New York organic infused nail lacquer, and has a gel effect. The color that I have is called Bellini, and it is this beautiful pink nude color, which is basically what I have on my nails right now, if you can see. I like this color. Normally I go through different phases with my nails. Sometimes I like my nails to have really crazy colors, you know, I do like designs and all this other stuff, and then I go through a phase where I just want to leave my nails alone. So sometimes I don't put any nail polish, or I like to put nail polishes that are like this, which is like a nice pink or a nude, nothing crazy, and it goes with like whatever you wear. So this is a great color to have. I am very happy with this color. I think this is after 2 coats. You can still see parts of my nail, but I didn't want to put too much of a coat because I was actually pretty happy with this. Let me go over the thing that didn't come inside my bag, which is this SUR.MEDIC Pore-less Carbonic Peel, and this is a a sheet mask for your face, and it is formulated with carbonated water. I actually want to use this for another video, so I'm not going to talk too much about this, but I do love sheet masks, and I think they do such a good job with either cleansing or hydrating or brightening the skin. So we're going to see if this one works really well, so I'm going to do that for another video. The next item that I have is this Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow eyeshadow in Mermaid Teal, and it is a beautiful color. I've already used it. That's the color, and this is what it looks like. It has a beautiful shine to it, and that's what I used on my bottom lid. I don't know if you can really tell, but I like that for the bottom lid with this look that I have going on. It gives a little pop of color, even though my lips do have a pop of color, but I like how shiny that is, and like it has a really beautiful, beautiful little glow to it. Last but not least, what I have in my bag is actually already on my face. It is the brightest thing on my face, and it is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. I really, 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 really like this color. This is the color that I have on currently on my lips. It is so bright. It is so beautiful. I like the NYX formula for soft matte because I don't feel like I have anything on my lips, yet I know it's a nice matte color, and plus my lips don't feel like they're dry. I want to say in the past, earlier when I was kind of experimenting with lipsticks and things like that, red was a color that you kind of want to stay away from, or I kind of wanted to stay away from because, you know, it's too bold, it's too bright, it's too this or that. And I feel like, you know, you would kind of stick with like the nudes or things that would match a little bit more to your own lip color. And doing a red like this would have just been bam out there. And I think now that I think about it, I think that's an amazing thing to use a red that makes you feel nice and it looks good. And don't underestimate your skin tone. You know, your skin tone can handle a lot of colors. It's just you're in your own head. So if you want to wear a nice, beautiful red to go out to breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, hanging out, do it. I think it looks amazing. I think as far as everything that I've gotten in my IPSY, I do enjoy it. I do like it. I do have majority of it on. I have the nail polish, the eyeshadow, and the lipstick. I wish I had used the moisturizer, but I didn't think about it. I did this look on an Instagram live because, like I said before, I try to do my looks that I'm not doing on the video on my YouTube to be on Instagram live because I'm putting it on anyway. So if that helps someone to learn a little bit more about how to put it on, that would be great. So I figured, let me just do an Instagram live for that, putting the whole thing on, and then I'll just do the IPSY video over here. Again, a lot of the stuff that I get from IPSY I do use, so I'm really glad that I signed up for this. If you guys would like to sign up for it, I will leave all the information in my description below. Also, all the information about everything that I got, like the names of the things that I got in my IPSY bag this time, I will leave it in the description below, so please do go ahead and check that out. Also, in the comments, please let me know what you think about red lips. Like, are you all for it? Are you against it? Are you is it just too much for you, or are you trying to be more brave and go out and put it on, you know? Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really, really appreciate that. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I try to upload as much as I can. I know I've been super busy. I did film a lot, I just haven't edited and uploaded it. So I'm going to try to get on to that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing week. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sure, people might be staring at you, but that's because you look beautiful.